Imagine walking through your food manufacturing facility and seeing every employee diligently following food safety protocols, making your products with the utmost care. This isn't just a dream, it's what Food Staff Salinas aims to make a reality for you. Our mission is centered around enhancing food safety standards through specialized staffing solutions. We understand the unique needs of food manufacturing and processing facilities in Salinas and beyond. From Salinas to Hollister, we're here to ensure that your staffing needs are met with professionals trained in food safety compliance. It's not just about filling positions. It's about safeguarding your brand's reputation and ensuring the safety of your products. Take the step today to bolster your operations and protect your business. Partnering with Food Staff Salinas means choosing a service dedicated to compliance and quality assurance. Let's work together to transform your food manufacturing or processing facility into a benchmark for safety and excellence in the industry.